Nick Stamkos, Sean Coke, Lauren Kelly, Dakota Matthew, Peyton Schneeberg, Tony Kislov. After 1 minute, the top drivers are Sean Coke in first place, followed by Dakota Matvick in second place, followed by Lauren Kelly in third place.
Sean getting out of this race, but Sean coming right back. Can he make a comeback? He's starting in last place right now. So far, the order is Doug and Nick. Oh, they keep changing. Tony, Dakota, Chase, and Lauren.
After 2 minutes, 1
and
second,
Sean.
the top drivers are Tony Kislov in first place, followed by Dakota Matvick in second place, followed by Peyton Schneeberg in third place.
That was right over there against the wall.
After 3 minutes, 1 second, the top drivers are Peyton Schneeberg in first place, followed by Tony Kislov in second place, followed by Dakota Matvick in third place. After 4 minutes, 1 second, the top drivers are Nick Stamkos in first place, followed by Tony Kislov in second place, followed by Peyton Schneeberg in third place.
It looks like you got hit. I couldn't tell though.
Smoke, no cigar.
Five, four, three, two, one. Dakota McPick done. Nick Stanfield done. Transponder 16538. Tony Bislaw done. Peyton Schneeberg done. All drivers are finished. Transponder 2664316.